Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right wire, thinner for fine mesh, thicker for structure. Mark a rectangular frame and lay out parallel wires at 1/2 or 3/4 inch spacing. This sets the mesh pitch. Cut wires 10–15% longer than the frame so you have slack for securing. Once the cuts are made, bend the first and last wires to form anchor tabs. This prevents slipping. Make sure to wear gloves. Metal edges are sharp, and keep your layout square before moving to weaving. You now weave cross wires through the anchored parallels using an over-under sequence, and once each pass is complete, pull tension to align the grid. Work from the center outward. This balances stress and prevents warping. At every intersection, twist a short tie or use pliers to wrap a 1/16-inch tie around the crossing, about every 2 to 3 inches, to lock the pattern. Make sure to keep even spacing and check with the ruler frequently so holes remain uniform. You finish by trimming excess wire and folding or hammering tabs flat into the frame so nothing snagged remains. This gives a neat edge. Once done, apply a rust inhibitor or paint if the mesh will see weather. This doubles lifespan. If you notice sagging or uneven holes, add extra tie wraps at the weak rows and retension those strands. That usually fixes it. Finally, inspect every edge for sharp points and file or cover them for safety. Small fixes prevent big problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.